How can I get you?
Could I get 2 BLT McMuffins, please? Thank you, everyone. What's going on, guys? Today we are back with another vlog, and today I'm meant to be teaching workshops, electricing workshop, but there's no one here! That was a nice little echo. But yeah, no one's here yet. Oh, Alex is here. Let's go see what he's doing.
What are you doing, Alex?
Oh, you're playing Fortnite, big fella.
Huh?
Playing Fortnite.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Projector. Probably saw this in my last video too. But he's the only one here at the moment, so I'm just letting him play Fortnite. Just cause. What's wrong?
Oh, you're higher than me.
No,
You're
no.
higher level than me.
No, no. I'm only level 12, guys. Don't get too excited.